Hi everyone, it's Stephen here again from Share Navigator, and I just wanted to share a little video with you outlining why we closed our US 500 trade that we put on yesterday. So just in summary, we opened the trade yesterday, we sold the 6150 put, and today we were up 1.48%, and we could have left that trade on right to expiry and actually pretty much doubled our return. But expiry isn't for another 27 days. So I just want to explain what my rationale was for closing it and why I think we're going to get another chance actually to put the exact same trade back on and generate even more premium. So what I want to do is share with you here and just start with a chart of the US 500 futures here. And you can see they've been pretty much up and down quite a bit, obviously, with what has been going on. And today we've had a big up day. My view is we're going to probably get a retest of this low again at some stage, and that will allow us to sell that put option again and take in more premium again. And that's the reason why we've taken that trade off so early. We achieved quite a substantial profit in just one day on it. And another thing that we should be looking at here is the volatility index as well. So you can see the volatility index spiked recently, which makes put options premiums more expensive, which is good for us as we were selling put options. And you can see that's come down quite a bit. My view is it'll probably hover around here for a little bit of time and may even have another little spike again, which will allow us to generate even more premium on the trade. So that's the reason why we've gone along and we've actually closed that trade out on the US 500. Again, just to remind you, that's a 1 day trade. We made €148 profit. Remember, that's on a 10K account, which is 1.48% in 1 day. So our account, guys, is up, 6.92% this year to date, and we're only in the first week of March, and the S&P is only up 0.5% the same period of time. So we're beating the pants off the S&P 500. So these high probability strategies work. Knowing when to take your profit off the table works too. And having said all of that, folks, it might be a situation that we've closed this down too early and this goes on up forever. So be it. We're not going to go broke taking profits off the table. But my view is, with all the uncertainty that's out there in the world at the moment, this little dip here yesterday as well indicates we might get a retest down here at some stage. And that's the reason why we took the trade off. And again, if this falls down here again, we will be able to sell the put option we closed today and actually generate more premium than what we closed it for. Hope that makes sense. And if you have any questions, please feel to send me a WhatsApp. Thanks and bye for now.